And doing a 13-13 one. We're back with another banger bunch today. We got a laugh, riot, and high frying fun. Free birds, guys. Owen Wilson combo Blu-ray plus DVD $4. 4 people probably buy it for $10 watching this. A delightful treat for the whole family. Looks pretty good. I don't know cartoon movies.
It doesn't look that good because it says it's a family movie.
Yeah.
No swears, nothing. Family movie.
I don't know. Cartoons make me cringe no matter what movie it is for some reason. But here it is, guys. DVD plus no swearing, family friendly, and doing a.
I swear.
Okay, guys, let's see.
100 times.
But is it better than Chicken Run?
Chicken.
Was Angry Birds movie good? We watched it once. No. Remember we watched Captain Underpants? Yeah. Was it good? No. Was it inordinately good?
It was black person, no.
Alright, guys, there it is, guys. Let's see. It has a DVD inside too. The Blu-ray cover. Oh, it had 2 covers for $5. This is good. Mission Freebird. Mission Dinos. Mission Din Dons.
It's a stupid French version.
Oh, it's a French.
Or Japanese.
Oh, guys, here it is, guys. That's good. There's no way they actually did French and that. That's good.
Stupid cheap reseals.
And like the Blu-ray has lots of scratches. Lots. No, it's good. It's good.
Go on the back. Flip it. Oh shit.
What?
There's a lot of them that are resealed as fuck. You can see
I know.
the back.
Yeah, guys, here it is, guys. Free Banger Birds. It's good, but it ain't no Chicken Run.
That's better.
Or is it Angry Birds?
Yeah,
All the same. And bye.